Lullabies get sung to you numb, dumb, nullified, humdrum rappers who seem colorblind to the spectrum of style I select from anyone I choose to give you a bit of direction. Get a clue or get ridiculed when I spit a few hollow point verbs that'll riddle you pitiful punks with chunks ripped from your body and the party still jumping while I'm saying something. One thing you better know is hieroglyphics run things, even when we unheard, even when we unseen. Be aware, we are there, prepared to counteract the whack fake niggas be scared after dark and fall apart when the disasters start. I blast the spark cause I mastered the art, and this is a ritual in which you will enjoy. Now every man and woman, girl and boy, grab a hand and try to understand my commandments. I rock the mic harder than pillars of granite, and it don't stop increasing until your heartbeat start to ceasing. Let's start the season. The reasons that we're here become clear when I step to the podium toting my full metal gear. Pep's an exception to any rule, and you'll get treated like a stepson. Step up and get some phenomenal action, abominable passion. You don't want a fraction of friction, fact not fiction. We give it can't stand the heat, then get out the kitchen. We give it if not, then step up and get some. Melodies I swing hit harder than felonies committed to get a nigga melon seeds all over the pavement. Follow the brave man came to free you from your mental enslavement. Incidentally, the penalty is when I commits to killing MCs for frontin' like they not feeling the heat. We dealing them, trying to make a million multiply, moving into the next millennium. Domino tracks, phenomenal activity, and I'm on a whole nother plane that's giving me the lane to express my views, caress my jewels, and stretch my limbs right before I clutch my tool and amplify what you can't defy, and still get the skrilla whether it's damp or dry. I like it like that, and if you do too, then brace yourselves, cause what we gon' do is phenomenal action, abominable passion. You don't want a fraction of friction, fact not fiction. Can't stand the heat, then get out the kitchen. If not, then step up and get some phenomenal action, abominable passion. You don't want a fraction of friction, fact not fiction. Can't stand the heat, then get out the kitchen. If not, then step up and get some. Swift lyricism while I'm talking on a split. In this schism I give them with the rhythm adrift. Everything is everything, and I am significant, gifted with the mic in my hand. Come on and get with it. Love is terrific, pep is dynamite with every rhyme I write. Run with the leopards and swim with the sharks. Don't stand so close, you'll get singed by the sparks. From these scalding syllables, ruining the cauldron, hotter than slugs busted to fill them with holes. It goes like this, you might miss my anecdotes when the planet goes topsy-turvy. I seek to rock these spots superbly. You heard me? Nobody that I see could possibly serve me. I'm into maximum thrust adjustments and awesome blossoming. That's if you want some phenomenal action, abominable passion. You don't want a fraction of friction. Fact not fit. We give it can't stand the heat, then get out the kitchen. We give it not this step up and get some phenomenal action, abominable passion. You don't want a fraction of friction. Fact not fit. We give it can't stand the heat, then get out the kitchen. We give it to you. 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 We give it to you.
Inventado. Monserrat, según la teoría del Paco, al agua.
No, de arriba no tires.
Arriba no tiramos.
El balneario. Sacamos los remos. Que gira, ¿no?
Colocaron los huevos. Tenéis que secarlos luego en la orilla, Con los pies para adelante ahí. Mira, se ha tirado el loco. Se va a destrozar ahí, ¿no? No pasa nada, ¿no? ¿Está guay o qué? No cubre, ¿no? No cubre ahí.
Mira, me cago en los tiqueta puta. El tío Favara.
Los Machu Picchu, ¿no? Geográfica.
Acércate, acércate.
¿Qué hace? ¿Qué hace?
Me la das a mí, yo se la paso a él.
No lo toques, ¿no?
Empujados, empujados. ¡Vale! ¡Suéltate!
Hostias,
¡Oh, puta!
tira para atrás.
Ya te puedes tirar de cabeza, ¿eh?
Sí, cállate, pero te puedes matar, venga.
Tienes de cabeza, ¿eh? ¡Tope! ¡Garrulo!